I'm Chef Angel.
I'm Chef Christian. For an overview, we will talk about your experiences in culinary class.
So, to start, can you say that your experience in culinary is good or bad?
So I can say that it was good and decent, unlike my experience in art class, um, where I had a hard time keeping up with other students.
That's good, but for the next interview, can we focus specifically on your experiences only on culinary class?
Sure, it was a fulfilling experience that helped me gain more experience that helped enhance my culinary skills, which is great because it is my passion.
And for Miss Sakasas,
Being in a culinary class is unforgettable for me. I met people who I shared interest with. It helped me to understand more about my passion.
great! We are very, very thankful for having you guys